What's up? Welcome back. My name is my sign name, and today we're going to be learning if you can interrupt deaf people while they're signing. And lots of things going on here. Okay, so yes and no, obviously. What a lot of people will do, a lot of hearing people will do, is interrupt deaf people to practice or to show that they are learning sign language. And that is what you do not do. Don't interrupt someone just to say, "Hi, I'm learning sign language." I mean, I do know that some people are like, "Oh, that's amazing, that's great." But in regular terms, don't do that. I mean, it's great that you're learning it. But yeah, just don't interrupt them just to practice with them because they probably are talking about something important and they don't want to always have to practice.